So, hello everyone, I am Preet. You are watching my channel Language Fluency by Preet Mohan Kaur. So, here are the some words that you are seeing about what people are using in a day to day life, or I can say common words. So, we need to avoid all these common words which are used by everyone. So, this video is all about the learners. This video is all about the beginners who are going to begin their learning journey. So, for that, you people need to use these words to avoid the boredom what you people are creating, or you people can use these words to enhance or to impact on someone. So these are some words which I have taken for you. First one is thank you, second is good, third one is happy, and the fourth one is bad. So these are the few words that everyone is using in their day-to-day life. So for the beginners especially, or you can this one is also for the advanced learners, but I am just taken for the beginners to use these words to make a good impact on others, right? So thank you. If you are thanking someone, all right, if you want to thank someone, if somebody has done something for you, you want to thank you to someone, so you can say in just a simple language that you can say thanks. Thanks is one of the informal word that means जैसे कि आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो within your family members if they are junior to you, or you can use it with your friends, ठीक है, because they are all your companions or they are just by your age. So you can use this word with your juniors, or I can say with your friends, because it is a kind of informal word. Or you can say thank you very much. Thank you very much is something which is above the thanks word. Okay, so my next word is that you can replace for thank you is I am so grateful. It is one of the formal word. You can see most of the official use this word to thank someone or to appreciate someone. So when somebody helps you in any way, or you are sick and somebody from the office are coming to see you, all right, so you always have a word, just I am grateful that you have come here. Okay, so this is the word that is so formal in itself. Next one is I am obliged. I'm obliged is also an informal word. It is one of the most particular word that is being used by the companies. All right, so you can use it in your daily life to just avoid the monotony of the word thank you. Okay, so next one is can't thank you enough. If somebody has done a lot for you, if somebody has helped you for money, or I can say that if somebody is helping you in any ways, or every day he or she is helping you, so you can say I can't thank you enough. That means कि मैं आपका बहुत आभारी हूँ और मेरे पास words नहीं हैं आपको thank you कहने के लिए. So this is the thing. So these are the few words that you can use for the word thank you. Okay, so moving on to the next word, that is good. Good is one of the most common word. I think it is one of the most common word that is being used by everyone in this world. So if you need to be stand out from the crowd, or you need to be different, or you want to be different, so you need to just replace the word good. If somebody asks you that how's your day, so you just want to say it was good. So it is just so simple to say about. So you need to replace that word. You can say it was so marvelous, it was wonderful, it was classy. If somebody has asked you about the dress that he or she is wearing, so he or she is just asking about the compliments about how I am looking. So you just say rather good. You just have to say you are looking so classy. Or you have gone to somewhere, as you have gone to somewhere to see the beautiful picture, to see the beautiful view, you always have this word to say, it's good, it's a good view. So please just replace that word by just saying, oh, it's breathtaking, oh, this view is so breathtaking, or somebody has done a good work, or somebody has done a wonderful work for you. किसी ने आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, या किसी ने आपका कोई काम किया है, आप उसे कहना चाहते हो कि आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है मेरे लिए. सो बाय सेइंग गुड, मतलब रादर देन सेइंग गुड यू हैव डन अ गुड जॉब फॉर मी, यू जस्ट हैव टू रिप्लेस इट बाय सेइंग, oh my dear, you have done a remarkable job for me. So these are the words that you can use for the term good. Alright, so these are the words you can use. Next one is happy. Happy means खुश रहना, ठीक है. So in our everyday life we are watching that people are using happy word most commonly, as you are seeing in your life. So whenever we want to wish someone, whenever we want to make, or we want to give good wishes to someone for their good life or for their wonderful life, we always say be happy forever, है ना, God give you happy life. So you need to replace that, but because everybody is using this word, right, so you need to stand out from the crowd, or you need to stand out alone, ठीक है, to be different. So you can use these words like always be delightful, हमेशा खुश रहो, always be delightful. Or you can say these are the 3 common words which can use one by one, that is always be delightful, be cheerful every time, you are so joyful. As you want to say to someone that you are so happy, तू हमेशा खुश रहती है या तू हमेशा खुश रहता है, so you have to say you are so joyful, or you are having a so joyful nature. Alright, so next one is, this one is my favorite word to say somebody be happy, or I always have to say this word to everyone, ecstatic. May you have a ecstatic life. Ecstatic life मतलब खुशी वाली लाइफ, आपकी खुशी वाली ज़िंदगी हो, ठीक है. The next one is thrilled. As you are going to an adventurous place and you are just feeling good for the environment, you are feeling fresh for that particular place, or you want to stay, it is a kind of a thrilled experience that I am having. Thrilled experience मतलब which is full of surprises, or which is full of, you know, cravingness, everything. So these are the words which you can replace for the word happy. Alright, so my last word for the today session is bad. Bad मतलब कितना बुरा है, आज का दिन बहुत बुरा था. So today my day was so unacceptable. You just need to, these are all the vocabulary words that I am giving to you. These are for the beginners also and for the advanced learners also. Beginners के लिए इसलिए हैं क्योंकि वो एक ऐसी स्टेज पे खड़े हैं जहाँ पे उनको कुछ ऐसा चाहिए कि अगर वो पूरा सेंटेंस नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं, if they are not able to speak a particular sentence, or they are not able to speak a whole sentence, so by degrees they just need to move. और how they need to move, कैसे उन्होंने मूव करना है, by just grabbing on to the words, ठीक है, उन वर्ड्स को यूज़ करना जो हमारे लिए, जैसे इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ कप ऑफ टी फॉर अस, ये हमारे लिए कप ऑफ टी का काम करता है. जैसे कि बाएं हाथ का खेल होना चाहिए आपको, आपके लिए ये सारे वर्ड्स को यूज़ करना. ऑलराइट, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा चेंज लेके आओगे अपनी जो डेली रूटीन है, जो भी आपकी लाइफ है, वट एवर यू पीपल आर स्पीकिंग इन अ डे, और वट एवर यू पीपल आर इंटरेक्टिंग. So now we are having the 4th word, bad. Alright, so you can use these 4 words, or you can search more words, as I have written 4 words for you that you can replace for the word bad. One is unacceptable. My day was so unacceptable for me because it was so bad in itself. Okay, second word is awful. Awful, like if I have ordered a pizza, and by just receiving a pizza, or by just eating a single slice of a pizza, I didn't like that, and I said, oh, it was so awful, मतलब घटिया था. So rough. रफ इज इट्सेल्फ हम किसी भी दिन के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. माई डे वॉज सो बैड, यू नो, दिस ड्रेस इज़ सो रफ. रफ मतलब जो बहुत रग्ड होती है. सो यू कैन यूज़ दिस वर्ड फॉर दैट. Lousy. Lousy is also used by just replacing the word bad. ठीक है. It is so lousy. मतलब कोई भी you are moving for something and you have seen so much bad things around you and you have said it is so lousy. Alright, so these are the few words that can be used by yourself by just being different. ठीक है. It is one of the simple tasks that you can do, ठीक है, before starting anything, because these are the common words, these are the most common words which everybody is using in their day-to-day life. So this is all about my session. I'm hoping that you would like this session. And one thing more, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are liking my videos. So always share my videos and just subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the more updates of the videos.